Take a ride in the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power steering, cruise control, heated steering wheel, fog lights, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.